Mark 1 Scout. Stick around. Alright guys, so what we're doing today is we're building this knife right here. This is the Mark 1 Scout. It is made of 154 cm. I don't have that many left. I might have one or two left. That's about it. And then once they run out, that's it. We're not making any more. 154 cm is a stainless steel. This is an outstanding bushcraft or hunting knife. It comes with a 5-inch blade and a 5-inch handle. Really comfortable grip. Again, there's a whole bunch of options on the website that you can choose when picking this knife. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to roll the footage of me making this knife, and I'll see you at the end. Alright guys, so I hope you appreciate that video. Just want to give you a little bit close up of what this knife looks like. Again, 154 cm, really nice design, and it is stainless steel. This one happens to have a black linen micarta and a hollow grind. Again, your option, you decide. Really sharp on the back end, so if you wanted to, you can also get a fire steel. Alright, so this is the design that I came up with before the fire steel. The customer did want a fire steel option, and it's just a 3¼ inch fire steel that I wrapped some Gorilla Tape on there, so it gives it a really nice handle and you won't lose it. Fits in real nice, no rattle, nothing coming out. Okay, so really nice blade. Again, if you want one of these, I highly recommend going to 3riverblades.com and ordering it, because I don't think I have that many of these. What I need you guys to do is like, subscribe, share, add some comments down below. It really helps the algorithms. Go to Patreon, become a Patreon member. You can watch videos like this for only $1 a month. It really helps support the channel. I'll put all the links to my other channels as well. Make sure you guys are on that mailing list. The mailing list is the only place that I'm sending discount codes. So if you really want a discount on this knife, you need to go to 3riverblades.com. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and as always, please stay safe.